Honda's Acura luxury division has relaunched an iconic nameplate to shake up the entry luxury compact segment with the all-new Integra, replacing the aging ILX sedan in the lineup. Some may wonder why a luxury automaker would choose to launch a sporty four-door sedan in the age of the SUV, but we'd be quick to remind them that the Integra is a big part of what made the Acura brand. The new car shares its underpinnings with the all-new Honda Civic. It comes with the same turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The Integra is based on the Civic hatchback, so the shape isn't super surprising. We like the functionality of the hatch, though the load and height is somewhat high. What we don't like, however, is that you can't get a rear wiper. Every Integra comes standard with LED headlights and taillights, and every trim gets a power sunroof too. The Acura Watch suite of driver assistance features is also included on all Integras, consisting of automatic emergency braking and traffic sign recognition. The Integra's cabin looks right at home in the Acura lineup, pulling styling from the TLX sedan and RDX SUV. Heated sports seats wrapped in full leather upholstery are standard and feature 8-way power adjustments for the driver. Acura's standard multimedia setup includes a 7-inch touchscreen running a reskin version of the Civic's infotainment software. Wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, but stepping up to the technology trim gets you a 9-inch display with wireless smartphone mirroring. The new Integra is powered by a 200-horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine borrowed from the Honda Civic Si. All models are front-wheel drive and come standard with a continuously variable automatic transmission. A-Spec models can be had with an optional 6-speed manual transmission and a limited slip differential. An adaptive suspension system is available as well, and the A-Spec model adds an individual drive mode to the Integra's drive mode selector switch, which allows drivers to save a customized setting. Acura's revived Integra will be an all-new model for 2023 and is expected to go on sale in spring 2022. Acura claims to be targeting a starting price around $30,000 for the base Integra.